Welcome guys in a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use the grid map in the Godot engine. So you're just gonna create a new scene and you're just gonna create a node. So let's choose node. And inside the node you're just gonna need two mission stems. So the first mission stems. Don't duplicate the same mission stems, use a new one. So another mission stems. The first one is going to be the wall, and the second one is going to be the floor. For the wall, we're just gonna add a cube. I think you can just create a simple like Minecraft level with this, but you can just script it or use an asset library to create a Minecraft level. But with this, you just can create simple level like maze and anything else easier. So let's go to the mesh lib. Let's add a new spatial material and let's change the color in albedo to something like red. This is the wall, so we're just gonna change it to 5, I think. This is good. So for the floor, we're gonna add a plain mesh. I'm gonna just change the material to something like, I don't know, some purple or something. And now what we're gonna do is add some collision. So create trimmer static body, and for the wall create trimmer static body. For the floor, don't let it go here, so we're just gonna change, go to transform, position or translation, and go to 0. Now we need to go to scene. First of all, just save this scene. Let's name it tile and save it. Let's go to scene, convert to meshlib, and tile.meshlib. Just create it and save it. Now let's go to our level. I already have a level and you can use any level you want. So let's add a grid map. Inside the grid map, just add a tile meshlib. And as you can see, you have your meshes here. So we're just gonna go to top view to be easier. And let's see, floor level is 0. We're just gonna choose the wall like this, and let's just draw a simple maze. I think I'm just gonna create it like this, just a simple. I don't know how to design a maze, but it's something we can accept. So this is our maze, and now we need the floor. So we're just gonna change the floor for -1, and just gonna draw the floor like this. And now, as you can see, this is our 3D level. And now let's start the game and see. So this is the game. Our project just dropped here. So let's go, and as you can see, there is collision. I just created a maze easier with just like 1 minute or 2 minutes to create a maze with Godot engine using the grid map. So this is our video. I hope you liked the video and you're going to like and subscribe.